ROX index is used to predict the success or failure of high flow nasal cannula or HFNC. It is the ratio of pulse oximetry by fraction of inspired oxygen or FiO2 to the respiratory rate. The acronym ROX stands for respiratory rate and oxygenation. The quotient of SpO2 divided by FiO2 is further divided by the respiratory rate to get the ROX index. Please subscribe to this channel for future updates. Click on the subscribe button. Press the bell icon after that for all updates. In a study published by Rocca and Associates in the Journal of Critical Care, ROX index of 4.88 or more measured after 12 hours of HFNC was associated with a lower risk of mechanical ventilation. This was noted in a study conducted on 157 patients with pneumonia. It was a 4-year observation, 2-center cohort study, including patients with severe pneumonia treated with HFNC. 44 patients who needed mechanical ventilation were considered as HFNC failures. Another study published in American Journal of Respiratory Critical Care Medicine from the same group involving 191 patients with pneumonia treated with HFNC showed that prediction accuracy of ROX index increased over time. An index of 4.88 or above at 2 hours had a hazard ratio of 0.434, at 6 hours had a hazard ratio of 0.304, and at 12 hours of 0.0291. There is a lower risk of intubation while on HFNC. Predictors of HFNC failure were an index less than 2.85 at 2 hours, less than 3.47 at 6 hours, and less than 3.85 at 12 hours after initiation of HFNC. HFNC can deliver up to 60 liters of flow with humidified and warmed oxygen using a special bedside equipment and a large nasal cannula. Fraction of inspired oxygen concentration can be increased up to 100% from the 21% available in room air. Due to the large flow, dilution by room air, as occurs with conventional nasal oxygen cannula, is minimized. This is especially so in patients with respiratory distress who have high minute volumes, which tend to dilute oxygen delivered by nasal oxygen by sucking in additional room air. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates and click on the bell icon for all updates. Thank you.